Are you in search of an easy date night makeup you can wear with basically any outfit? Then I have this mesmerizing cat smoky eye date night look for your makeup wardrobe, which looks complicated at first sight, but I assure you is not. Let's get started right away. So first of all, I used the lasting gel liner in a black shade by the brand Kiko Milano and extend my upper lash line by applying a stroke with a detailing brush by Alpha Makeup. Then I move on to my inner corner and fill it while staying right below my crease fold. Now I go back to the extended stroke and create a wing by applying another stroke back to the upper lash line. I fill in the triangle and further apply gel liner up until close to the center lid. Stay under the crease fold with the gel liner. Leave the center lid free of product for later, as we want to apply our highlighting shade on that spot. Please note that you can choose any color combination you want for this look. To be able to create quick, intense looks, I recommend you to use gel liners instead of eyeshadow, as you will deal with less fallouts. Next, with a precise eyeliner brush by Real Techniques without any product on, we extend the end of the wing to make it look sharp. Now we apply the shade Deep Olive from the Natasha Denona Bronze palette on top of the wing and right into the crease fold using a smudger brush by Alpha Makeup. By the way, the link to the premium vegan brush set by Alpha Makeup is down in the description box. If you're in search of good quality, cruelty-free brushes made with passion for you, then grab yourself one. Now back to the look. We also apply Deep Olive on top of the gel liner to create a more smoky look. Then we choose a tapered blending brush which has pointed bristles at the end to focus better on specific parts. I wanted to focus on blending the crease fold and the wing, hence I chose this type of brush. On to the next step. Here I framed my tear duct with gel liner using a precise eyeliner brush and creating a sharp V-shaped line. Note that this step is optional and looks good on normal set and wide set eyes. However, on close set eyes, this step is not recommended as it will bring the eyes even closer to each other. I just wanted to elongate my eyes further and create a cat eye makeup look. Then I line the outer third of my lower lash line with a gel liner. Again, I keep the center of the lower lash line free from product. Now onto the center of the lid. Here I apply a small amount of concealer with an applicator brush and blend it with my finger. Now with the dense applicator brush by Alpha Makeup, I apply the highlighting shade Silk from the Bronze palette by Natasha Denona right in the center of the concealed area. Leave out gaps on the left and right to apply a transition shade. I choose the transition shade Rhodium and apply it to the gaps on both sides. Then I blend in the shades Silk and Rhodium into each other using the Petite blending brush. I reapply Silk for a more intense result with the applicator brush, pressing it onto the lid. Then I line my lower waterline on the parts where I have applied gel liner previously. With the smudger brush by Alpha Makeup and the shade Rhodium, I smudge the black liner on the outer edge and inner corner of the lower lash line. Now we apply a small amount of concealer in the center of the lower lash line and apply the highlighting shade Silk with an applicator brush. That is how our lower lash line makeup matches the upper lid. Next, I clean off any unevenness with a cotton swab before moving to the next step. Afterwards, I apply concealer under my winged liner and clean off the skin further. Once that is done, we move on to the lashes. Here, I first curl my lashes to lift them as usual. Especially if you have flat lashes, curling is a great help. Then I apply my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Mascara in zigzag motions, focusing more on the outer part of my lashes. Last but not least, I choose to apply false lashes. I had only a pair of natural looking false lashes available from the brand Kiss called My Lash But Better in the design Blessed. I had trimmed them before, but I recommend you to work with voluminous false lashes. It will look even better. Finally, with a lash curler, I press my natural and false lashes together for a great blend. That's it basically for this tutorial. Please don't forget to let me know your requests for upcoming videos. Also, leave a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload every weekend. To get notified, simply turn on the notification bell.